Jaw's been broke. Knocked down a couple times. I done something new for this fight. That's right.
Who the fuck are you?
I have wrestled with an alligator.
By now, what it matters is we get those people to safety.
I done tussled with a whale.
You need to trust me.
I done handcuffed lightning, go thunder in jail. I'm gonna show you how great I am.
Mayday, mayday, mayday. We need immediate emergency assistance. I'm with a man named...
I need to finish this.
I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna show you. All of you chumps are gonna bow. I'm gonna show you how great I am.